I mean, can it get any better than this being your nature walk versus being on a track in the city? I am in love. I'm awestruck right now. I feel like I have crossed over the rainbow bridge and gone to heaven because I've come out of the harsh city life and am now able to start enjoying a little bit of mama's nature, the beautiful sun, gorgeous, gorgeousness. You hear that wind? That's called life. It's life, and I am loving it. I am so beyond thrilled to be in this space and to begin creating in a way that I have always wanted to with nature, with mama. Absolutely beautiful. And yes, I am taking you on this walk with me as it is my first time walking this path. And I am so excited. This is a fantastic day in the life of Patricia. Swim at your own risk? Okay, see? I can swim at my own risk. I don't have to be told that I'm not allowed to swim here. Amazing. Well, I can't climb the fences, so I'll have to give that one up. That's okay. I'm good. I don't need to climb the fence. But this is my beautiful nature walk. And I am beyond happy. Look at that. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, now we're closer. Look at this. This is going to be my daily nature walk. Can you believe this? I'm in paradise. It may feel silly and simple to some of you, but it's been a long time since I've had the freedom to just be in a space like this and enjoy myself. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. And I'm about to get emotional, so I'll probably stop recording. But thank you for taking this walk with me. I hope you enjoy it the way that I am. It's quite lovely. I'm not a great video producer, so we'll see how it comes out, but I hope you enjoy.